Solve the equation x minus a divided by x minus b plus x minus b divided by x minus a is equal to a by b plus b by a, where x is not equal to a and b and a is not equal to b. Means a minus b is not 0 or b minus a is not 0. Now solution for this problem. Now consider x minus a divided by x minus b plus x minus b divided by x minus a is equal to a by b plus b by a. This can be written as x minus a divided by x minus b minus a by b. This term can be brought into the left hand side, and b by a equal to b by a minus x minus b divided by x minus a. Now we can take LCM both sides and simplify this one. You will get b into x minus a minus a into x minus b divided by, what is that, b into x minus b. And right hand side, similar way, b into x minus a minus a into x minus b whole divided by a into x minus a. And simplification of the numerator, what we will get, bx minus ab minus ax plus ab divided by b into x minus b is equal to bx minus ab minus ax plus ab divided by a into x minus a. Now we can observe the numerator here. Minus ab plus ab is getting cancelled. The same way will happen in case of right hand side. This implies bx minus ax. I can write down x into b minus a divided by b into x minus b is equal to, similarly, bx minus ax, which you can write down x into b minus a divided by a into x minus a. Multiplying this one, what we are going to get, both sides, I mean, this implies x minus b minus a divided by b into x minus b into, what is that? We have to multiply this by a into x minus a into, sorry, I can write down here, a into x minus a into b into x minus b equal to, just I would like to write down here, right hand side, x minus x into b minus a divided by a into x minus a into a into x minus a into b into x minus b. What I have done here, multiplying this factor both sides of the equation, and therefore we can cancel this one with this, and similarly we can cancel with this and this. What we are going to get, this implies x into b minus a into a into x minus a equal to x into b minus a into b into x minus b. And now here b minus a is an integer because a is not equal to b. It is a given, and therefore we can cancel this number both sides. We will get ax into x minus a is equal to bx into x minus b, and that implies ax square minus a square x is equal to bx square minus b square x. And now we can see here, take this to the left hand side, ax square minus bx square and minus a square x, and take this to the left hand side, minus b square x is equal to 0. This you can write down uh, x square into a minus b minus what is that, x into a square plus b, sorry, this is going to be plus, after taking this one, this is going to be plus, and therefore this is a square minus b square is equal to 0. And now we can write down x square into a minus b minus x into a minus b into a plus b is equal to 0. So here a minus b is there, here a minus b is there. So I can take this a minus b outside the bracket, x square minus x into a plus b is equal to 0. And this cancelling this one both sides, I mean, it is, this implies the equation becomes x square minus x into a plus b is equal to 0. That is x into, I can write down x minus a plus b is equal to 0. This gives us x is equal to 0 or x is equal to a plus b. This is the solution for the equation. You can verify by taking the value x is equal to 1, 0 and another x is equal to y plus b.